Hello, this is Mr. Koenig. I'm going to talk to you about the Chapter 8, Section 2 quiz. Number 1 says convert the exponents from the original form to factored form and simplified form. So essentially for each of them you have, for this table you have 6 boxes to complete. Number 2 has 2 parts. A says convert the number 1240 to scientific notation. A box for your work and thoughts is included. So you'll need to fill out the scientific notation box, and any work or thoughts would go in this box. Part B is convert 2.5 times 10 to the second power to a number. A box for your work or thoughts is included. So in this one, you would fill out the number and the work or thoughts. In the table below, convert from original form to factored form and simplified form. So 10 to the third, what is that in factored form? Simplified form. 10 to the negative third, what is that in factored form? Simplified form. 10 to the 0, 10 to the 0 power, what is that in factored form? And simplified form. Number 4 says demonstrate the difference between raising a single number to a power and raising a grouped quantity to a power by completing the table below. So in this first one, we have 5y in parentheses or in a group, and that whole group being brought to the third power, versus the one below, we have 5y to the third, and there is no group. So what is the difference between those two? How would they look in factored form? How would they look in simplified form? How are they different? The final problem is number 5, says solve the word problem below using scientific notation. This one says, Rain looked up some information on the United States Department of Agriculture website and found out in 2007 the average American consumed about 5.6 times 10 to the third potato chips in a year. Since Idaho has about 1.5 times 10 to the 6th people in 2007, how many potato chips would Idaho residents have consumed in 2007? Show your work. Here's a spot for your work and a spot for your answer. Best of luck on the quiz, and ask your teachers if there is anything confusing.